Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm fairly new to YouTubing. I just wanted to give you a close-up inspection of a diamond painting from a UK company called Diamond Art Studio Limited. This is their licensed artwork for Splatterworks by Catherine Williams, and it is been a pleasure to work with. The drill quality is amazing, symbol clarity superb, but as you can see, this is the excited duckling, which I have lovingly named Chickadee, and look at that shine and shimmer. It's a square drill, and look at his face, he's absolutely gorgeous. So as you can see, I've only got a few sections to do, but it is an absolute joy and pleasure to work on this, and it's nice to have more UK based companies that do diamond painting and using fully licensed artwork as well. But look at him, he's absolutely incredible. His face, as you can see close in, look at that sparkle and shine. So I'll love you and leave you guys, and I do thank you for watching, and stay safe.